Welcome to our History channel for easy and fun learning. This video covers an important event with a quick overview of what happened and its importance. Join us on a journey through the past. Tesla, Inc., formerly known as Tesla Motors, is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company founded in 2003 by Elon Musk, J.B. Straubel, Martin Eberhard, Mark Tarpenning, and Ian Wright. The company is named after Nikola Tesla, the Serbian-American inventor and electrical engineer. Tesla, Inc. is primarily known for its electric cars, but the company also produces solar panels, solar roofs, and energy storage systems. Its electric vehicles, which include the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, have been praised for their high performance, long range, and innovative features. In addition to its electric cars, Tesla has also developed a global network of superchargers, which are high-speed charging stations that can charge Tesla cars in minutes. This network of charging stations has made it easier for Tesla owners to travel long distances in their electric cars. Tesla's innovative approach to automotive design and its commitment to sustainable energy have earned it a loyal following of customers and fans. The company has also faced some controversy, including concerns about its production practices and safety record. However, despite these challenges, Tesla has continued to expand and innovate, with plans to launch new models, including the Cybertruck, semi-truck, and Roadster, in the coming years. Tesla's success has also had an impact on the automotive industry as a whole. Many traditional car manufacturers have begun to develop their own electric vehicles in response to the growing demand for sustainable transportation. Tesla's innovative spirit and commitment to sustainability have helped to change the way people think about cars and energy. In addition to its automotive and energy products, Tesla has also been involved in other ventures, such as developing autonomous driving technology and working on projects related to space exploration. The company's SpaceX division has been working on developing reusable rockets and has plans to send humans to Mars in the coming years. Overall, Tesla, Inc. has become one of the most recognizable and influential companies in the world, with a focus on sustainable transportation and energy. Its commitment to innovation and sustainability has earned it a loyal following and has helped to change the way people think about cars and energy. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.